Logical blocks. How the app works. Learn how to use the app and how to customize it. Various exercises. Develop your mathematical skills through a wide range of exercises.
In the following, we are going to show how to use the Logical Blocks app. Drag and drop blocks onto the board in order to place them. Drag the blocks to move them. Click on the home icon if you wish to remove all blocks from the board. Click here to filter logical blocks on the basis of their properties. You can filter blocks by color, form or size. Click on this icon if you wish to faintly display logical blocks you have filtered out. Click on this icon in order to change the color of the background. Drag blocks back into the set if you wish to remove them from the board. Click on this icon in order to go to the settings. You can set the level of difficulty and choose which wording should be used in the exercises. Click here in order to hide or show the set of logical blocks. Click on this icon in order to go to the exercise selection page. Drag and drop the descriptions onto the board and place them below the appropriate logical block. Click on this icon to check your solution. Click on the arrow to get a new exercise. Click on the icons at the bottom to check the properties of the logical block in question. Deselect blocks which you have ruled out. Click on the deselected block if you wish to make it active again. Visit our website for further information about our apps.